Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to efficiently use our Bureau service tools on Health ID. The first step is to create a login, which consists of your unique username and password. This can be done by navigating to the Discovery website or the URL on the left of your screen. Thereafter, you can click on the Register Here button. There are a few simple steps and details to follow to confirm and validate your details. Once the details match the information that was submitted on the Bureau forms, you can create your unique username and password and login with the same credentials. If you already have a username and password, you can skip this step and you should have access automatically. You will have access to select from a list of practices that you are currently linked to from your registration form. Thereafter, once you're on the landing page, you can choose to go into the Bureau dashboard or the Claims tab on the left. We will first go through the Bureau dashboard. Once in the dashboard, you will see several features available. Let us start with the Validate Membership feature, which will confirm if the patient's membership is active and valid. Simply enter the patient's name, surname, ID number, or membership number in the search bar for the patient you wish to check for. To continue with the validation on the membership, click on Validate Patient. You will get a confirmation of the medical scheme name, plan type, and plan duration on the membership. You can then continue to check another patient or click on the Done button to complete the confirmation. Let's move on to the next feature, which is the Check Funds and Waiting Period tool. This tool allows you to check funds on a patient and confirm if there are any active waiting periods for this patient or not. Once you have selected the patient, you can type in the amount requested, confirm the service date and practice details. Thereafter, by clicking on the Check button, you will see a confirmation on the amount requested if there are sufficient funds available. This will also display if the member has any active waiting periods or not. Please take note of the disclaimers, as well as this is not a guarantee of payment. At the bottom of the screen, you now have the option to confirm multiple memberships by clicking on the Check Another Patient button, which will bring you back to this screen, and you will follow the exact same steps for the next patient. If you need to view this confirmation again or at a later stage, you can use the History tab, which is like an audit trail to view your previous fund checks and waiting period confirmations. The next feature is the Healthcare Professional Search. This feature is used to search for any practitioner details. You can search for a specific practice or practitioner using their name and surname, practice number, or discipline. This allows you to view more details as well, if required, by clicking on the result, which will show further details of the healthcare professional example, the location details, contact details, and network information. The last two features are the Surgical and Maternity Authorization History features. This allows you to look up any authorization details for a particular patient. If you are looking for a surgical or maternity authorization detail, you can search using the membership or ID number of the patient, the hospital name, or the authorization number. This will populate the details of the event example, admission date, discharge date and approval status, etc. We will now navigate back to the landing or home page. We have included shortcuts to these tools on the top navigation bar as well, for quicker access if required. The last feature we will look at is the Claims tool. You have the ability here to search for any claim previously submitted for processing. This feature will give you details on the claim's outcome with the reason codes and amount paid, etc. You can select the practice details you want search under, and thereafter locate the claim using the membership or ID number, or name and surname of the patient. You also have the ability to search up to 2 years of claims information by using the various custom and preset tabs to go back further. Once the claim has been found, you can see the various claim information like treatment date, name of the healthcare professional, claim references, amount claimed, and the payment details. By clicking on the claim, you will have the ability to view further details like the procedure codes and details per line with the reason codes and reason code descriptions at the bottom. Lastly, you will have the ability to download any of the results seen by clicking on the Download button, the top right of the page. This allows you to view the same information or results in an Excel or CSV format. Once downloaded, you can filter the information as needed. This is the end of the demo. and you can navigate back to the home page. We hope that you have found this guide helpful, and thank you for watching.